Hola amigos and welcome to this short but engaging Spanish lesson. Today we're going to learn how to say a very popular, very common English phrase but in Spanish. How to say it's a matter of time in Spanish. This expression is often used to express that something is inevitable or bound to happen eventually. Understanding how to convey this concept in Spanish is not only useful, but also a great way to enhance your Spanish conversational skills. So let's dive in and explore how to say it's a matter of time in Spanish. But before we do so, click the button and subscribe. I upload videos every week. Comencemos. Let us commence. Very well, my friends. Muy bien, mis amigos. Today, we're going to learn how to say it's a matter of time in Spanish. Please listen to my pronunciation and repeat. Escucha mi pronunciación y repite. Muy bien. Let us commence. Comencemos. It's a matter of time. Es cuestión de tiempo. Es cuestión de tiempo. It's a matter of time. Es cuestión de tiempo. If you want to say, it's a matter of time before you come back, you would say, es cuestión de tiempo para que regreses. Es cuestión de tiempo para que regreses. Muy bien. Next one. Siguiente. It's only a matter of time. Solo es cuestión de tiempo. Solo es cuestión de tiempo. So if you want to say it's only a matter of time or it's just a matter of time, you would say this phrase. Solo es cuestión de tiempo. Can you say it a little bit faster? Solo es cuestión de tiempo. Next one, siguiente. It's just a matter of time before he or she gets into trouble again. Es solo cuestión de tiempo antes de que se meta en problemas otra vez. This one is a long one. Es solo cuestión de tiempo antes de que se meta en problemas otra vez. This one applies for most of you, my dear amigos. If you want to say learning Spanish is a matter of time, you would say aprender español es cuestión de tiempo. Aprender español es cuestión de tiempo. It was just a matter of time. Era solo cuestión de tiempo. Era solo cuestión de tiempo. It was just a matter of time. Era solo cuestión de tiempo. Very well, my dear amigos. Muy bien, mis queridos amigos. Now it's time for our Spanish listening exercises. Es hora de que escuchemos un poquito de español. Muy bien, comencemos. Muy bien, amigos. Now it's time for us to practice our Spanish listening skills. So I'm going to talk to you in Spanish very despacito, muy slowly first, and then I'm going to talk like a native speaker. I am a native speaker, my first language is Spanish, so I'll talk to you at a natural, normal pace, just like any other native speaker would. Okay, so are you ready? ¿Estás listo? 1, 2, 3. Muchas personas se desalientan y dicen, aprender idiomas es muy difícil. pero calma, tranquilo. Es cuestión de tiempo, pero solo es cuestión de tiempo para que aprendas a hablar español. Es cuestión de tiempo, es cuestión de práctica, es cuestión de disciplina y es cuestión de determinación. Pero eso sí, tienes que esforzarte. Cuando yo llegué a Australia, yo no hablaba inglés y me desalenté. Pensé, es muy difícil, pero era cuestión de tiempo, que pasaran algunos años y que yo continuara estudiando inglés a fin de poder aprender. Lo mismo ocurre en tu caso. Necesitas determinación y seguir adelante con constancia. Es solo cuestión de tiempo. All right, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that you were also able to understand at least some of the phrases that I said. Now, at the moment, I'm preparing another video. I could have uploaded today, but I didn't want to rush it. But I didn't want to upload it half-baked. I'm working really hard in the next video. It's going to be a nice surprise, a bit of a entertaining, engaging, cultural, knowledge-based quiz game that I will be uploading in the next couple of days. I'm also working in the travel blog, the second part. The first one was about that dangerous cable car in Santiago. Well, at least it did look dangerous. It was not, but it did look dangerous. It was very steep. I invite you to watch that video. If you just go to my page and scroll down a little bit, you'll find that I uploaded a video only a couple of weeks ago. So it should be the second one. And by the way, I'm also working in the second travel Spanish learning video. So the first one was about traveling on that beautiful, beautiful cable car, but looked dangerous in Santiago. You can see the Andes Mountains in the background and the city. It looks spectacular. If you haven't watched it yet, I extend you a warm invitation. Watch it, you'll enjoy it. And the second video, I'm still making up my mind whether I will upload the Argentina video first. I went to the stadium where Messi used to play in Argentina in Buenos Aires. And I also visited some interesting places around Buenos Aires. And there's another one I visited recently, these mysterious but paradise-like islands in Indonesia, the Gili Islands. So let me know in the comments which one would you like me to upload next. So hopefully that will be ready also by the end of this week. Okay, my dear amigos, it's been a pleasure seeing you. Please click the button if this is your first time, subscribe. And for my loyal subscribers, my dear amigos, I love you all, my dear amigos. Stay tuned because there's more coming. Adios and cuídate. Take care. Chao, chao.